come on in, you can see it's just a rusty old container. It's got holes in it that we got to fill. We got to frame it, we got to insulate it, we got to drywall it. We got this window from Lowe's, and we cut it out with a grinder, put it up there, marked it out, cut it out with a grinder, and then we've trimmed it out so we can put our window in. Okay, so show us the next step. Where's that next board go? Now we're putting these ones up. Like that. Sit nice and snug on purpose so that it's nice and snug. And then we're going to put the window in. Okay guys, so we have a screw here and they look like this. They got a self-tapping head on them, and so Tommy's going to show you how we're putting these onto the metal. They'll go right through the metal if you hit them just right. Guys, we're here at the container remodel, and I just wanted to show you guys the process before we close everything up. But we have our aerospace padding that we wrapped around the walls, and then we put our 1x4s, probably every other rib. So we got a rib here, and then a rib here, and then a rib here. And if you look over here, you can buy these blue boxes from Lowe's, and then we just cut off the tops. So that should be a perfect match. It's right on top of a rib. Should be a perfect match for the drywall. And you can see we can run our electrical pretty easy right there. So we got everything run. We got our 1x4s. We got call packs of drywall. Some of the damaged drywall that they put up, or they put out that gets damaged in shipping or what have you. We got all that. We're using 5/8 drywall. One, because we got a good deal on it, and two, because it's going to give us more of a noise barrier and more of a